Hotboii Hail Mary, you feel me? I'm about to record a couple videos today, you feel me? And upload them throughout, you feel me? I got y'all, don't even worry, my fault. Lame ass motorcycle, nigga. Alright. I don't know if I said the title already,
but I'm a soldier that I always survive. I constantly come back. You know what I mean? Only thing that can kill me is death. That's the only thing that'll ever stop me is death.
Hey Jolo, we shooting outside.
What's happening, TT?
I saw it.
It was one late night on the balcony. It was like 5:54, you could say 6. It was about to be. Flight at 8, Trey told me she go to sleep. Get that 2 hours sleep. Next day I had to walk him out this fight and knock a nigga out for me. I knew I couldn't put 7 in the woods, so I rode and grabbed a leaf. Got so high, could've grabbed me a clout to eat. Probably could've grabbed a key. Usually I trick that girl out of her love, but that was just selfish me. Usually I don't even be one to fuck. Just drop that neck for me. Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, see what you gon' have here now. Do you wanna ride or die? Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, see what you gon' have here now. Do you wanna ride or die?
It's different. For me, it's different. You don't expect this from her. You expect, got the fan on. Don't need time to time waiting on nobody. That's what you expecting. But this is different. You feel me? This is different. You feel me? I like it. You feel me?
Yeah, you say you rhyme, but would you die for a nigga? Yeah. Could I pass you this A out of open fire for a nigga? Yeah. Hop in this Ferrari, gotta ride if I go anywhere, love. Okay, hold on. I ain't even want no hook for this. I ain't have to go in my books for this. I had dreams of being T-Award, but I don't even know how to look for this. No style, but still would've took a pic. I told Ryan, you know I hooked the bitch, no lie. He don't know how to cook for shit, but that yay would've sold his favorite dish bag.
Y'all heard
This bag watching pose, take a pic. Heard he ratted, whoa, wait a minute. Hoes be extra like ordinary bitch. Hoe gon' cut for me, culinary bitch. Can't stand me, cause I'm settle bitch. When I was down bad, I ain't care for bitch. Niggas run around ready to crash for me. They'll pull up on you like a demolition. Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, see what you gon' have here now. Do you wanna ride or die? Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, see what you gon' have here now. Do you wanna ride or die?
This man is so talented, bro. This man is so talented, bro. This man is so talented. It's so much that he's done in such a short period of time. It's only been like a year now even since this nigga got popping, really. And this nigga's already a fucking star, bro. This nigga Hotboii so talented, bro. Link in the description in the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you for watching. I'm going there.